Hey everybody, Don Dabney from Left Coast Classics. And this is just a wonderful 1971 Mercedes-Benz W113 Pagoda, a 280SL. In this video, I'm going to take you around this beautiful old Pagoda. I'm going to take you underneath the car, but first buckle up because I'm going to take you for a ride in it. Car just gets up and goes. It runs beautifully. It's so smooth, exactly what, the way you expect it to be. The handling's nice. It drives nice and straight going down the road. All the gauges are working beautifully. The lights, the horn, the blinkers, the radio. Anyways, just wonderful car to drive. Everything in here looks original to me, and I'm told that it was. So the steering wheel's in pretty shape. We're not seeing cracks and things in the steering wheel. The seat upholstery's nice. The original rugs are in great shape. The wood is a little bit deteriorated, but it's not bad. I mean, it's certainly fine as is, especially if your whole thing is you love the original car and the original vibe of it. The car is currently at 129,477 miles, and it looks like the odometer is working fine. When we pulled the cloth top out of the stowaway, what I had understood is it had been in there for decades, so we had to really stretch the top out over a few days. And when you see the top, before we could fasten it, but when you see the top, it's just gorgeous. And it's, a little bit of hazing on the rear window, but you can certainly see through it. And the stitching and everything is so nice on the top, as well as the headline are very well preserved by being stowed away for so long. A couple other things you'll notice, all the weld spots are dead on down both sides of the inner seam of the hood, and the divot marks are at the headlamps exactly where they're supposed to be. All right, so there you go. All right, thanks for checking it out. Be sure to watch the rest of the video. There's a lot of content right after this test drive piece where I take you under the car, we go around it anyway, and we do all that. So just keep watching, and if you have any questions, call me. My number's down there below in the description, wherever my web guy sticks it. And if you've seen the car on a third-party site, it probably wouldn't be a bad idea to go over to my website and see it there, because there'll be a secondary slideshow with a few hundred more photos. And that's leftcoastclassics.com, LEFT, leftcoastclassics.com, because I'm on the left coast. We got the best cars, got to admit it. Check all that out, and then, be sure to check us out on all the social media, typical sites. Look us up, Left Coast Classics. And 3 episodes of Wheeler Dealers so far. We did 2013 57 Ford Thunderbird back in the Ed China days. We did a really cool Lancia Fulvia, and I think that aired in 2018, shot up at my place here in Sonoma. And then the last episode was really cool. If you like Euro cars, you'll love the Lancia, obviously, but you'll love this episode right here. This is a one-owner 1964 Triumph TR4 that we pulled out of a garage in San Francisco. It was just an incredible car, and Mike and I did a real special episode of Wheeler Dealers that was a little different from all the rest. So make sure you find that one. You can get a hold of me. Again, my number's somewhere down there. You can always get in touch. I'm easy to get a hold of, and you can text me as well. All right, thanks for checking it out. All right, let's head under the Pagoda. And what we just basically have down here is just a super original car. In fact, what's kind of cool is you can still see the Cosmoline all over the bottom of the car that they would coat it with when they shipped the car from the factory to protect it when it was going over through the Atlantic. That's all in nice shape, and you can see the floors are super nice. The inner cells are great. The inner rockers, all this stuff is in really, really nice shape. No rust, just kind of original in every sense of the word. So just real nice under there. Very, very original. I take you around the lower portion of the car with a light magnet. Obviously, the bonnet, the boot, and the door skins and the tonneau are all made out of aluminum, so it's not going to work there. But let me just show you what we got here on the fenders. Good shape. And go to the rockers. It's just totally grabbing it. All right, heading around to the other side. And I'm sure you just saw the undercarriage shot, so there's no sign of any rust anywhere in this car. I'll just take you through the wheel wells. They're just in nice shape, as best as I can get them here while we're doing this. And here's the front driver's side. It's having a hard time focusing. And we're on the front drinker's side. And the right rear. So super nice and original in there for sure. You know, expect some scuffs. I mean, this is an original old car, but so well preserved.